Roger, for having me. My name's Wesley Stone. I am a Republican candidate for the nomination for Criminal Court Judge Division 2 here in Knox County. I'm 45 years old. I've been married to my wife 22 years. I have 3 wonderful children. Emma's 17, Abby's 15, and Cooper is 11. They all go to public schools here in Knox County. Emma's playing a basketball game tonight, and I normally do the PA announcements for those games, but I wanted to be here tonight, so I appreciate the invitation, Roger. Abby's my soccer player, and Cooper's also my soccer player. They do very well academically, do very well athletically, and I couldn't be more of a proud father of those 3 children. Give all that credit to my wife. She's an excellent wife. She's an excellent mother, and I'm just proud to be here in Knox County raising these 3 wonderful children in this community. I am running for criminal court judge. I will tell you that I was licensed to practice law in 2000. Prior to that, I attended the Cumberland School of Law at Samford University in Birmingham, Alabama. I graduated cum laude. I did that during a time where my wife had some changes in her work. She's a speech-language pathologist, and they had everybody sign up some no-compete clause agreements, and then they let them all go and dared them to compete. We competed, and nothing ever came of it. But anyway, as part of that, I had to work 32 hours a week at an insurance company down there, maintain health insurance for my wife and I while I was in law school. And I say all that to say this: hard work's not lost on me. I've always worked very, very hard. If there's an honest dollar out there and I can earn it, I've always went and earned it. I worked as a bagged ice as a 10-year-old. I peddled cantaloupes over my rural community in South Claiborne County, selling cantaloupes as a farmer. Grew up on a small family farm. We raised beef cattle, we raised hay, and we raised broken tobacco. Got my children involved in it. Emma and Abby, when they were younger, 4 and 2 years old, I built a small little greenhouse. My grandfather's tradition of raising cantaloupes, I just carried that on down to them. Had some really wonderful pictures of that. Did grow up in an agricultural community. Got my degree from the University of Tennessee in agriculture, economics. That was in 1996. And then I went to law school in 1997 after marrying Suzanne, my wife. When I started practicing law in 2000, it was a small rural community. My dad is an attorney. He was admitted to practice law in 1971. And I had the great honor and privilege to work with my father for 6 years in a very rural practice, and wearing him out about questions about how you do this, how you do that. And he taught me so much about professionalism, just how to be a professional in the job that we do, not only to the people that we represent, but also to the other attorneys, to the judges, to the court staff, to the clerks, and things of that nature. So it's a great opportunity. In 2006, my wife and I, we moved to Middle Tennessee. I hung out a shingle there, continued to run a small business. It was a very God-led decision that we did that. It was not easy, leaving my family in Claiborne County where I grew up. I'm pretty sure there's 5 generations of Stones. My great-great-grandfather, Thomas Wesley, who I'm named after, was licensed to practice law in 1878. We actually had his original law license. At any rate, I was out there for 6 months, 2 years, and I got this opportunity to work at Hodges Dowdy and Carson here in Knoxville, Tennessee, where I was hired as an associate attorney in 2008, and then made it as a partner in 2014. That's where I've been. What have I been doing all these years? I've been running either a small business or a big business, but I've been helping people with their problems, whether they be civil problems, criminal problems, or some other type of investigation that's going on, a sundry of things. I've tried, I don't know how many bench trials without a jury, your domestic relations cases, your orders of protection cases, your juvenile delinquency cases, your juvenile dependency neglect cases. I cannot count over 19 plus years how many of those trials that I've tried. What I can count is how many jury trials that I've tried. In the last 19 years, by my count, I've tried 25 criminal jury trials in the state of Tennessee. And if I'm pretty sure that's in 31 counties of this state. So I practice in Middle Tennessee and also in East Tennessee. Of those 25 criminal jury trials, 9 of those were first-degree murder cases. And first-degree murder cases are very, very complex. Sometimes have complex legal issues, complex scientific issues, and so they're very complicated issues that I handle in the criminal courts in this state. One of those 9 first-degree murder cases was a death penalty case. And there's something to be said about the men and women who sit next to people who the state is seeking to kill as a result of something they did. Not taking a stand on the death penalty, but I'm just saying, having somebody's life in your hands like that is a very, very stressful event. But that requires you to be death penalty certified, and I have been death penalty certified in the state of Tennessee, and I handled that case. The jury in that case did not elect. The jury decides whether somebody receives a death penalty or not. They did not elect to sentence our client to death, and so that was the outcome in that case. But I've handled 14 first-degree murder cases in the state of Tennessee. Also been very, very active in the trial court level of our federal courts. In 2010, I started taking cases in the Federal District Court of Eastern Tennessee. I've handled 36 cases in the Federal District Court here in Knoxville and up in Greenville. And I've also handled cases at the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati. I have one pending there right now. I think it's important too for a criminal court judge to be very experienced in what they do. And I will tell you that I've had, by my count, 30 cases in the appellate courts of our state. Those were here in the Eastern Division of Tennessee. 30 of those cases were primarily cases that I handled from the trial court and taking that up on a direct appeal from that to the Court of Criminal Appeals.
Well, you may point.
Yes, sir. 10 of those cases, I have received some type of affirmative relief. And somebody may say, well, that's a technicality, that's some technical thing that you're doing, that you're able to do. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm making sure that the due process rights of my clients are upheld because due process applies to everyone. And that's the role of a criminal court judge, is to make sure that the due process is applied equally to everybody. So I was very successful in that. I also appeared in the Tennessee Supreme Court, and I will tell you that I think that my 19+ years experience, my trial court criminal jury trial experience, my appellate court experience in the Tennessee Court of Criminal Appeals, and my experience in the Tennessee Supreme Court makes me best qualified to serve as your next elected Knox County criminal court judge. So I ask for your vote, and I ask for your support.
Okay, we got about a minute left. Any got any questions for Wesley? Okay, we have one.
What is your most favorite Supreme Court case and why?
My most favorite Supreme Court case is the one that I handled in the Tennessee Supreme Court.
Softball.
Yeah, I got that one. So real quick, I'll tell you a little bit about it. So, the jury convicted my client of 3 crimes, and I was able to get 2 of the 3 judges on the Tennessee Court of Criminal Appeals to find him not guilty.
I'm at the U.S. Supreme Court.
Oh, you said Supreme Court. Yeah, I'm sorry. My favorite U.S. Supreme Court case?
Yeah.
I don't know that I have a favorite U.S. Supreme Court case. I've never thought of a favorite one in particular. I'm sorry.
Any other questions? Oh,
I have a question, kind of like almost an emotional kind of thing.
Sure.
With you being a judge and being able to sit impartially, would your defense experience ever play into that? That you would be able that you would be more empathetic for the defense versus the...
I think that's a great question. I appreciate the question. No, it will not play into that. I think the role of the judge is to be fair and is to be impartial and is to follow the law. And that's what I would do as your next criminal court judge. The experiences that I have in that, I think make me best suited to serve as criminal court judge. But the state of Tennessee has as much right to due process as the defendant, and I give both sides. And that's what this whole thing is. And that's what I've always been about. Grew up in that.
Who were you going to be replacing?
So Judge McGee retired at the end of 2019. Kyle Hickson was appointed by the governor, and so Kyle and I are running against each other for this proposed nominee.
Thanks so much.